How to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen, which is beside search. Simply click on three dots and you'll find all these options pop up. Click on settings. Then click on Chats, which is below List and above Notifications. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Chat Backup. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Backup. You will see Last Backup. Only after that, you will restore your messages. After you see the last backup date, simply you can back up from here, or to simply restore it, if you have deleted it, you can simply go to Play Store and then uninstall WhatsApp. After you've uninstalled WhatsApp, simply install it again and log into your account. You'll find restore option pop up and it will be restored till the last date of backup. And this is how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.